Welcome to Global Motor Coach. My name is Tom, and today I'm going to be going over a do-it-yourself video in terms of for the blinds in these limousines. Now, these blinds, it's very common over time that they get loose. Sometimes they won't hold up to the very top anymore, whether it's just through age, or it can even be sometimes somebody, a customer or a client might bump it and it sets them off. It gets pretty frustrating when they don't stay up. And it's actually a pretty easy fix. Anyone can do it. Your driver can do it, your porter, anyone can be able to fix this. It's a pretty simple process to be able to adjust them. And I'll show you how to do it today. Here, come check this out. So on this blind here, this is what we use in Global Motor Coach, but it's very, very common throughout the industry. And I already went ahead and loosened this blind up so you can see it's loose, it's falling down. So what you want to do is it can be a two-person job. If you're by yourself, we here, because we do a million of these things, made a little tool to be able to sit in here and hold the blind up for you while you're working on it. You just want to prop your blind up with either a 2x4 or something so that it holds it up tight and into place for you as you set this line. Then this is the one that we loosened up for you. You're going to want to pull it so it's tight all the way through both cords. And then you take your cable here and you're going to run it down to just above where the vinyl wrap is. And then you want to mark it. You can mark it with a piece of chalk on here. But the point is once you get it marked, you're then going to move this little plastic piece past the line that you mark, okay? Knowing where you want to put your knot. And then you just do a simple 1/over knot, pull it in, tighten it down, and then verifying you can adjust it before you set it by holding it down to it. Like in here, I'm way too high on it, okay? So then I tighten the knot down, adjust it slightly, and boom, that should be good. So when I set it down on the ground, you'll see this is pretty tight here. Everything is looking good. Then what you'll do is you'll grab your screw, put it back in here, your screwdriver or impact gun, okay? Line it up to the original hole down in there, okay? Sorry, I'm gonna block you there. And lightly screw it down. If you're using an impact gun, you want to be careful with it. I've gone too much torque on it and it's pushed right through the plastic, and then you got to replace the little plastic piece on there. It's a real pain. So you want to take your time and be careful with it. And then pull your piece out and then just verify. It stays up, it goes down, the blind's tight. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below on our video channel here. We're going to be rolling out lots of different fixes to be able to do for these limousines. And again, I appreciate your time and taking to it. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us directly at the store.